Following on from the video about backing up your website, one of the other important tasks is having the ability to restore your website. So let's assume we've taken a backup and we've made some changes. The changes went wrong for whatever reason, and we need to restore the website. So we go to Components, Akiba Backup, and as mentioned in the first video about backing up your website, this is already configured. So all we need to do is click Default Backup Profile. It will start making a backup of the website, the content, the databases, all the files. Package that up neatly and leave it somewhere on the server that only you and I or the server administrators can access. And what it does as well is it takes a total of 10 backups. So when it gets to the 11th, it deletes the first one. So you've always got 10 backups. So if your backups are taken daily, you get 10 days worth of backups. If they're taken weekly, 10 weeks. So here we are back at the backup control panel, and you'll see here we have an option that says Manage Backups. So I'm going to click that, and then we'll see the backup that we've just taken. So we put a tick in that box and we click Restore. What this does is takes us through a restore process. So we start the restoration, and you don't actually have to put any information in. Just read the boxes, make sure that everything's okay. Let's run the restoration script, and as you've seen, that pops open in a new window. You don't need to check any of this information, it should all be okay. If anything doesn't go according to plan, just get in touch, but we're restoring websites from backups all the time without an issue. Again, this information is read from the backup script, so you don't need to fill anything out. Just click Next, and you'll see now it's restoring the database. In this case, it's only a small one. And Next. Okay, it says almost there. And as you see there, it says close this window and return to the restoration page. So we'll do that. We'll close that window. And you'll see here we have another button available, Finalize Restoration. What this does is it cleans up all the backup files. There we go. And it tries to take us to the administration area, but because it's secured, you can't get in. So let's have a look at the website. There we go. Website's rebuilt for us. That is how simple it is to rebuild your website. Obviously, if you've got a problem with the server or with emails or anything server related, then we can run a restore script on the server itself. But for the website content, that will work. Obviously, if your site is very big, it will take longer. But for an average site, you're looking at 5 minutes maximum. Hopefully that's of use, and if there's anything else, just get in touch.